I told you December 2023 was going to be hot. We have more F450 Reserve Editions dropping daily. Here behind us in Agate Black 2023 Akins Ford F450 Platinum Reserve Edition. We're on a KELDERMAN 5.6 air ride lift kit. We're on 38s and 24s, American Forces at that. Before we get started with the review, I want to show you the full articulation up and down of the KELDERMAN lift kit. This kit is called the 5 to 6 inch kit because it does fluctuate between 5 and 6 inches here at the normal ride height setting. At this height, the truck does not feel too big. We have several customers across the entire country that pull big bolsterous horse trailers and campers on this 5 to 6 inch kit. So if you're concerned about this not being the right kit for you as far as being too big, that's not the case. Now, just say you want to hook up a trailer or let the wifey in at a great convenience. We can go all the way down. So sitting right at 60 pounds in the front and 20 in the rear. This is the lowest setting. Don't recommend this to drive either. You have articulation clearance issues up front at this setting. Then we're going back to the ride height, which typically is in that 35 PSI range in the rear and between 70 and 80 in the front. So here we are sitting at that nice ride height setting. Then if you want to just stunt and show off a little bit, all the way up. So about 90 in the front and 40 in the rear, airbag pressure wise. I'm having my airlift performance gauge right here to articulate and calibrate all those parameters, but this is big boy status, big girl status, all the way up to show off and flex. Looks amazing. We're going back to ride height. Let's review. In my opinion, the predictability of a custom shop really says a lot about them. If they're showing you the same stuff over and over again, that means they're not that creative, let's be honest. If they're doing black on blacks or doing just Mustangs or just 450s all the time or just 150s or just Chevys or just level kits or just lift kits or only 12 wides or only 9 wides, very conservative, very positive, or only 17-inch wheels and not many 24s or 30s, then that really shows you that they don't really think outside the box. Doesn't mean that they're a bad store or a bad custom shop. It just means that they're kind of one-track minded. Real deal Neal at Wild Willies at Akins, that's the expansion mindset. I want to show everything because I know that us as humans, we all are so different inherently from God. So I want to access and capture each and every customer's true passion and likes. That's what it's all about here, y'all. Our custom shop mindset is that we want to show you variations on the daily. So that's why you need to hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. Hit the like as well, bell notifications so you'll stay up to date on videos daily, and they all are going to show variations. Just like this 2023 Akins Ford F450 Platinum Reserve Edition, and we kept it classy with the chrome, y'all. You can tell up front, this front grille had a lot of brushed aluminum and chrome dimples on that portion there. Chrome in the headlight, of course, a blue and chrome emblem on the front. And we didn't want to delete all the chrome. We wanted to still showcase some of it. So even the headlights, we kept the chrome on the outer ring, but did delete the amber on the side and added some more black on the inner part. We kept the bezel, that brushed aluminum on the fog light, but we also cut that valence down to the trimmer mark and did it body color, which to me makes it look so much more premium. Emblem up front, we did just this first ring. You have actually 2 big rings of chrome. We did just the first ring, of course the Ford script and chrome, agate black on the rest. All of these chrome dimples went agate black. So just that in itself makes a statement in delivering a unique, different appearance overall as far as the front's concerned. It looks great. It's classy. It's buttoned up. It's a platinum truck. To me, that's the way it should come. I love the chrome around the edge of the rim there on the high beam and low beam as well. A different variation. We haven't done it yet. And of course, the KELDERMAN 5.6 air ride, which you just showed, I showcased to you, looks great. You got Raptor shocks. front and rear, and dual steering stabilizer. Got a different rear radius arm now as well for the 23s, Firestone airbags. Amazing ride quality overall. 38, 13.5, 24 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. The hybrid tire that's going to work great, obviously off-road or on-road, but also give you great mileage, longevity, and confidence on the American Force Cutlass wheels. 24s, looking incredible. And the balance as it flows up into the mirror. We removed all the texture. I've been driving this truck, putting some mileage on it, so a little dirty, but a perfect time to bring it behind the dealership to review. This was all texture black. We removed the texture and did body color, kept the cap chrome. All this was texture. Removed the texture there, did body color, kept the chrome. Classy rendition. Wanted to keep the high output logo there because a good notation, and even tied it in with our keeping the FX4. We always take the FX4 off, but kept it on this one. Removed all the texture. It did a gate black on this side portion. The big deep lip looking incredible on the rear. I mean, there's nothing more substantial than this setup right here, and that's why I love all different sizes. But to me, 24 inches on the 450 really showcases and gives a good, full, mature wheel look appearance overall, and you still have enough supplemental sidewall on the 38s to get great ride quality. 38, feeling great. Done turned 39, but still rocking strong with the 8s, y'all. A good look at our compressor and tank and horn blaster kit in the back to go along with the Kelderman. Everything is housed right there for the Kelderman overall. Removed all the texture on the step here, but kept the texture on this top portion. Rigid SRQs in the back. The applique, it was all brushed aluminum, but kept the brush just on the platinum, and those bars did a gate black throughout. If we'd have kept the applique factory, it still would have looked great and balanced out so nicely, but you wouldn't have been able to tell from the back other than it just been a lifted truck. But you see it running down the road from the rear, you're like, I've never seen an applique like that before. Oh, well, of course we have it. Wild Willies got a hold of it. That's why. Gotta love Wild Willies custom accessories, y'all. Smoked the tails, did rim paint on the perimeter there for a nice buttoned up look. Mild to wild scale. Look at this wild right here. We're on the wild side. 38, 13.5, got us sticking out. We're a good 5.5, 6 inches outside in the rear. Not quite as much in the front, but a great big, strong, and proportional balance. To me, it looks perfect being lifted in this 5 to 6 inch range on 38s. Let's go. Jumping in this bad boy. Oh, it puts a smile on my face. Let's start her up. Yeah. Built for tough one time. Platinum interior on the inside. I love the contrast of the different colored stitching. You got a little suede accent, Alcantara suede on the side portion there. I love how everything up here is blacked out as well. Just a nice buttoned up premium interior with great amenities and creature comforts, safety, technology, all right here at your disposal. Full LCD there. There's your airlift performance that I was using earlier. Middle buttons, ride height, upper and lower is set for easy access. Raise it, lower it, roll with it. Look at that heads up display. So glad they brought that option. Man, I just love the stunt, y'all. I'm 39 now, as I mentioned. I still love the stunt. Stunting is a habit. You heard? God, it looks good. Chopping it down. Oh man, that's a pretty sight right there. That big 12-inch touchscreen using the reverse feature, got 360 over here on the right and a full backup on the left. You have no reason not to be money as far as your backing up and maneuvering. And this has got rock lights as well, so at nighttime you can turn those rock lights on and have full 360 viewing and coverage even at nighttime while backing up or maneuvering. This unit cannot be sold until December 27th of 2023. Here's the information. Stock number PED 10686. We are, y'all, I know, listen, I understand this is absurd at 169,880, but God, we're starting over here at an absurd 99,305. Things continue to climb, but all we can do is continue to offer what we know is the primo components throughout on all of our custom builds. We're not going to sacrifice integrity or throw cheap parts on there at the expense of not being what we say we are and being a true, legit trusted source for everything auto, delivering best parts and experience across the entire country. So this is what we have to do, y'all, and this is where it comes out money-wise. Go build it yourself. You'll be in the same ballpark, I promise you. And then wrapping it up, I wanted to turn this around just to showcase this applique in the sunlight and how wide and substantial this truck is sitting right now on 38s on our Reserve Edition package. A solid truck combo with black and chrome accents that is a timeless package. This is not going away. I know you may think black wheels are in forever, and they may be, but so is chrome. So this is a good, clean and classy rendition of a Platinum Reserve Edition. Thanks so much for watching. As always, hit that subscribe button. The gear I got on today is custom new Wild Willies apparel. WildWilliesAccessories.com will get you covered. And hit that subscribe button, please. It will mean so much because tomorrow I'm dropping another diamond. Peace out.